Alright, bet. I hate bets. What? Okay, just start the damn TV. The show. Okay. Attention people in Tocoboca City. There will be a tornado plus typhoon happening tonight. Get your groceries and meat before the typhoon/tornado starts. Thank you. Oh, LG, there's a tornado. Wait, I can hear. People want me into these things. I'll be the radio. Everybody, people keep missing and the connection went off. OMG guys, we gotta get to the basement. But first we'll go to the groceries. You're in charge of for the kids. Okay. What is happening? You'll understand when you're older. You're too. Okay. Yurii, get them into the room. Fine. Both of them. Wait, Mika, you forgot their toys. Okay, we can go. Okay, here's the room. Wait.
Yurii, where's my phone?
Okay, I'm gonna go to real play, alright? You say I'm gonna get the box of bags. Guys, I'll get the box of bags. Can you get Khalil too? Because I'm gonna go grocery shopping, okay? Okay. Let me join you get the bags. Where is my gun? Hey, give me my hoodie back. Okay, I'm gonna get the yellow bag because there has money there.
You hear thunder.
Oh no, there's thunder. I need to make it fast, alright? Go get Khalil into the room now.
And hear sign. Oh,
not yet, Yurii. Oh, sorry, Jill. I'll just have to sacrifice myself. Okay, Khalil, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna put you down.
Kale, I'm gonna put you down. Go sleep there na lang.
Puts down the bags. Oh.
Here's the news again. Attention everybody.
Not yet. Okay, Yurii, I'm gonna get the groceries for a while. Okay. Okay.
Punta tayo doon mamaya pagkatapos natin ng worksheet.
Okay, can do.
I want to bring that.
Alright, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Hello? Nobody's there. I didn't. This is maybe 4, but I changed myself. Alright. I'm gonna get those chips because it's Tiger's and Daddy's favorite. Some books because we might get bored. Pizza. Oh. I'm removing. I'll choose one book. How about the band book because Yurii loves singing. And your Astro want one. Can this pizza fit you?
Mami, sila na yung gano'n.
Hindi ka mahalagaan ni nanay ba? Inaalagaan niya sa kanil.
I'll put the non-edibles here. Alright, I'll put chicken. Since it's Yuri's favorite, we'll use a frying pan because the frying pan is mostly hot. Some Pringles. I'm gonna go to the after sections. Barely any food there. Oh, this looks so cute, but I'm not getting it. What should I get?
Are you recording?
Yes. I'm gonna get this electric fan. Excuse me, sir. Can I get this electric fan? For what? Parang the cashier say, set this for right top. Okay. Why is his voice like that? I don't mind that. Can you say this for later? Alright, girly. I got your girly. Ooh, chips! And these cereal, I'm still getting it. Tortitas. You already have tortita. I mean, we're gonna do the spice challenge. Okay. Okay, I'll get some eggs. Oh no, this is the eggs doesn't fit. I gotta get eggs with milk because we love milks and some juices. We need two because Yuri's gonna drink them all. We need cups.
There's no electricity. Everyone, there's no electricity!
Oh no. That means I can get this for free. Oh well. That's not getting the cups. Okay, you're gonna pay? That will be a lot of money. Alright, here. Ooh. Ching! Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
Pagkatapos natin na.
Guys, I'm back.
My turn, my
How's
turn.
Khalil?
My turn. Wait. He's kinda scared.
Why you crying, Kylie?
I'm scared.
Don't worry, Papa God will protect us. Yuri, calm down, Kylie. You're gonna make Kylie and Khalil away. Alright. I'm gonna put the food in the non-refrigerator. And I bought us an electric fan. I mean an AC. Ooh, Yuri, we're gonna do hot sauce. Ciao. Where'd the hot sauce go? Cereal for Frankie. Pringles. Oh, there goes the tyrant. Yuri, here's some chicken. Thanks. More chicken. Thanks. Chips. The chips got into the wall that I made. Wow, wow, wow,
Emergency
wow.
tornado incoming in 10,
Wait, Yuri, not yet.
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Emergency EF1 incoming in Northwest Tocoboca, going to the largest building in Tocoboca. Please be secured in the house and don't go out.
And you know you need to go out, you don't have to because that's against the law. If there's a tornado and then you went out, that you'll be arrested for 9 years. Well, peek out outside. OMG! Guys, look! Ah, stop. Excited, don't look in there.
You're hearing the wind. Mr. Tornado is close.
Next stop, the tornado number 100.
No one. There's only level 5 or level 4, level 3, level 2, level.
The max level has come. Everybody be warned because the max level is going in. Yes? Ikaw na?
Oh, yan si tatay.
Why are you angry?
Stop! You should stop crying!
I'm him.
1, 2, 3, go. Stop crying! Harry, stop crying. You're making the wind more stronger. Okay. Oh, gee, what's that sound? Yurii, get Jhelil, okay.
There's one roof that hit our house.
Oh, check. Oh no. I think we need to move house after.
Everybody, good news. The tornado has reached level 3. Means it's getting lower and lower.
Alright, let's do some Robux again. Kyrie, stop. I'm gonna make you sleep. Put down Jhelil. He's bald. But Jhelil's not bald in real life. Okay, everybody sleep. It's night time now. Who wants to use their iPads? Because I brought the iPads. Where's the iPads? Alright.
News. Wow. Oh. Everybody, great news. The tornado has reached level 1. It's getting lower until it's gone.
Oh, that's some good news. Guys, I have some bad news and good news. The tornado has stopped, but there was another tornado coming beside it. And it's the more than max level. Beware, everybody. Stop. No, I'm crying.
Toot toot. It's everybody. It's a different tornado. It's gonna be a fire NATO. No, there's everybody gonna be a fire NATO. Toot 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 toot.
Don't worry, everybody. Our house is fireproof. Because Yurii almost burned our house.
Mommy!
What? Everybody sleep now. Sadie, you're there. Kyrie, you're there. But everybody will use their gadgets like sleeping. Here's your phone. Use your iPad. Here's your iPad, Kyrie. I feel much better with my iPad. There's my iPad. You want to use your laptop? Sure. Your laptop. Alright. Oh, side is here. You're not using Koya's laptop? Okay, you can go to the bed. Oh, I feel much better, but I'm so scared. Don't worry, Sajo. What? I'm scared too. Don't worry, Carlos beside you. I need a chair.
ES warning. ES warning. ES warning. A volcano is erupted in the west east of America, Tocoboca. It's larger than the most biggest volcano in the world. It is safe. It's smoking and it's about to erupt.
Don't worry. Stop.
May ano,
Don't worry, everybody. Our house is lava-proof. And please be quiet. Khalil is sleeping. And it's almost past our bedtime. Give me your iPads. Only older. Okay, Yurii, you can use an iPad for a while. Okay, everybody go to sleep now.
ano si nanay tayo? Tinatawag ka naman, hindi sumasagot.
Okay, everybody sleep. Thank you for watching and please wait for part 2.
Kausap din
Okay, Yurii, let's go start watching.
Where's me then?
I'd rather be this one.
Now where to be this?
Oh, I'm starting recording!